Hello, this is V here again, and Pam's behind the camera.
Hi guys.
Before we head on to this, I would like to say, can you please go ahead, subscribe, like everything, all the things. And today I just wanted to let you know that I'm bringing a recipe that I'm also doing 50-50. It's oil-free and it's 50-50, and it can be used as a dessert and as whatever you want with it. But it's carrot cake oats, but I'm going to tell you how I use it differently during the week. This is what I have: some oats here, some rolled oats. I have some raisins, I have some salt, cinnamon, and I have carrots. So this is what I usually do is I add my oats.
That's a cup of oats?
Yes, a cup of oats. And this is a cup of carrots, a little bit over.
Yeah, I would say it looks like more than a cup.
Yeah, it's a little over a cup. And I grated them because,
Yeah, they cook quicker and you don't want chunks in it.
Yeah, you don't want chunks in it. And what I do is I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to this. I'm going to add a cup of water. I think I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add about half cup more. Yeah, about half cup more. And I'm going to cook these. Now, to make this 50-50 compliant, I'm not going to add, the nuts and all the seed part of it. What I do is I just cook it like this. Then when I want it, if I want it to make it like a 50-50 carrot cake kind of thing, I just spoon some in a bowl. I'll add some maple syrup. I'll add some raisins, some cinnamon, and I'll just warm it up, and it tastes great. If you are not doing the 50-50, you can add some walnuts to it, some chia seeds. But right now, since me and Pam, we are focusing on the weight loss part, I'm not adding fats or anything to my food right now. So this is 50-50 in itself because the carrots are the vegetable and the oats are your starchy part. So that's good 50-50. And the other way I eat it is, because I keep it like this in the fridge, if I want like a savory breakfast, what I'll do is I'll just add some spices to it. Anything, salt, pepper, just salt and pepper tastes good too. Salt, pepper. Sometimes I'll make it like an Indian mix. I'll add some turmeric, I'll add some ginger.
So do you ever add cooked vegetables to it?
I do.
Beef it up with some more veggies?
Yes, I do. If I have time, I'll put in some onions and tomatoes and whatever veggies I have, whether it's like cooked veggies that are left over, I'll just add it to that. And that I'll call it a day. But it just depends, how I feel in the morning, if I want something.
But this is a great, if you're craving a dessert or a sweet,
yes,
this is a great way to get that in.
This is the great way. The carrots, by all means, you can bump it up, and that's the reason I bumped it up is because I want to add some maple syrup to it. And that's gonna, be the.
You want to compensate for that.
Yes, that's why I bumped up the carrot part on this. But it tastes really good. Like the carrots, when they cook up, it tastes really good. So now that it's come up to a boil, I'm just gonna turn it down just a little bit. I'm gonna cover it and let it go for about 10 minutes or so. All right, so this is cooked, and as you can, it smells really good.
Yeah, it does. And there's not anything unusual in there.
Yeah, there's not. You can use this either way. I forgot to grab the vanilla. I'm going to grab the vanilla. Assembling it in your bowl. So this is what I do.
Which allows you to adapt it.
Yeah.
So if you want something different tomorrow, you can use the same base.
Yeah. And I try to have something prepped for the week that way I'm not running for breakfast in the morning. So this is what I do. I have my the oats in there. Just a splash of vanilla. I'm gonna put in some raisins. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon in here. You go by however much you want. And then some maple syrup. And then I'm just gonna
mix it up.
Yeah.
Oh, and it smells, the cinnamon hit that. And
yeah, and you can start smelling it. And it tastes delicious. It's simple, it's delicious. And honestly, this much fills me up.
Yeah, it looks
good. And there's, in 50-50 we talk about, you can always go back for seconds as long as you're going back for the same amount. 50% starchy and 50% non-starchy vegetables. So this is the perfect thing for that. And with my kids being home, this is This is so much easier for me to grab. I just grab a cup of tea with it and I'm good to go. But
Yeah.
this, I try to have something like this on hand so breakfast is easier. And like I said, you can add more veggies to it, make it more savory. This is good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner anytime. It really goes. I love it. I'm in love with it. But it's super easy to make. Try it out. Tell us how you like it. And we'll be back with more recipes. And until then, check us out on Instagram, on Facebook, everything. We're on all the social platforms. And we'll see you back next week. Bye.